How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Impala SS numbers match 4-speed. Very, very clean, all original panel car. It's got the numbers match 327 in it. It's got power steering and disc brake upgrade. See all the grille, headlight bezels, front bumper. That's all the original. It's all in really good shape. You have to bear with us. The clouds kind of keep coming and going today. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It's a factory red on red car. I tell you, it is straight, slick down the sides. Got the Regal SS wheels. Rear taillights and taillight bezels have been replaced. Rear bumper is the original. It's got a little bit of patina to it, but still looks real good. Paintwork is very, very nice. This is a car you get in, go to all your cruises, your shows, enjoy it. Car's very, very straight down the sides. See the sun come back out on us. Again, it's the numbers match 327. It's been updated with Edelbrock aluminum intake and Edelbrock carb, electric choke. Dig the vintage air cleaner on it. Got power disc brakes up front, power steering. It's got the original numbers match, Saginaw 4-speed in it. It's got limited slip rear. Gorgeous, gorgeous interior. Looks like new. Door panels, I believe, are the originals. Dash is all the original. It's got new headliner, real nice, tight, very, very nicely done. Seat covers all been replaced. It's got updated front and rear factory seat belts, actually. Original center console and everything in it. All the jams, everything are very, very nice on this car. There's 2 partial build sheets. The trunk floor and everything in this car is just perfect. You'll see in the pictures, we show it with the mat up. All the side moldings, everything are excellent shape. Tell you, really, really like the red interior. It's just good looking car. They did a nice AM, FM, CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. Pair of gauges there on the bottom. Got the original 4-speed shifter, works perfect. Again, this is a numbers match 4-speed SS Impala. We'll fire it up. Fires right up. Nice updated aluminum radiator. It's got the high def LED head or halogen headlights. A nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. backup lights all work. Pretty rare for a 4-speed for those to work. Just a super, super nice car, guys. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. A little bit of traffic today. Have a great day, folks.